let me sleep, for when I sleep I dream that you are here. You're mine, and all my fears are left behind. I float on air. The nightingale sings gentle lullabies, so let me close my eyes and sleep, perchance to dream, so I can see the face I long to touch, to kiss. But only dreams can bring me this, so let the moon shine softly on the boy I long to see. And maybe when he dreams, he'll dream of me. I'll hide beneath the clouds that whisper to the evening star. They tell me love is just a dream.